Mr. Homeschool.
Hi, Mr. Homeschool here. So today's lesson is going to be all about how to float in the air, also known as levitating at home. Whoa, 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 whoa. So I learned how to do this magic trick from a guy named Eves at my last job, who said that he learned how to do it in Haiti. Okay, so all you need for this magic trick is a pair of sneakers and some kind of blanket or towel. Okay, so first you have to take off one of your sneakers. Put your sneaker next to the other one and then tie it around the other laces. Okay, so now all you have to do is put your bare foot behind your sneakers, put your blanket or towel over the front, and now raise your foot. And make sure you also raise your upper body at the same time so it looks like your whole body is levitating. Whoa. So have fun freaking out your friends with this new magic trick that you learned. Whoa! Hey, thanks for coming with me to learn all about the levitating magic trick. So what do you call a levitating monk? An air fryer. Hey, quick shout out to Katarina from New York for sending in this beautiful picture of Mr. Homeschool. I love it. Thank you. Hey, so if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more things like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And as always, thank you and God bless you.